90% of traders stop in gold scalping, just because they don't know how to hunt for liquidity before entering. If you stay until the end of this video, you will learn a setup that can change your whole perspective on gold scalping. This strategy is a combination of three things: EMA 200 for trend, EMA 9 and 21 for momentum, and smart money concepts like liquidity and BOS plus Fibonacci that can be optimized based on accurate entries. The first thing you do is just look at EMA 200. If the price was above EMA 200, then just buy trades. Even pullbacks are profitable. If the price was below EMA 200, then just sell. This sell is the opposite. Pullbacks are also profitable. The biggest mistake traders make is trading without a trend. 1. Trend filter. The first and most important filter: price must be above EMA 200. EMA 200 must be sloping upwards, not flat. If the price is below EMA 200, then you do not buy at all. 2. Momentum confirmation. EMA trigger. EMA 9 must have crossed above EMA 21. Or the price is pulled back after the cross and reacted again. This is just market preparation, not an entry. 3. Smart money. Confirmation. Very important. Here, the real setup is formed. Checkmark liquidity sweep. The first price hits the previous low stops are collected. Check BOS, break of structure. After the sweep, a new HH is made. The bullish structure is confirmed. Check CHoCH if needed. Character change from bearish to bullish, stronger confirmation. 4. Fibonacci, entry zone. From the last bullish lag, golden zone, 0.5, 0.618. Best buy is only done in this zone. If the price breaks through this zone, entry is prohibited. 5. Final confirmation, entry checklist. Only enter when these are together. Above EMA 200. Sweep completed. Bullish BOS. Pullback to 0.5 to 0.618. Confirmation candle. Bullish rejection / engulfing. Here you get buy after buy entry. Exit is managed like this. Professional exit. Exit strategy. After buy entry, exit is managed like this. The stop loss is always placed behind the last liquidity sweep or below the last structural bottom to control the loss if the analysis was wrong. The first target is placed on the first internal liquidity or short-term market ceiling, which usually gives a risk-reward ratio of 1:1, and at this point, it is better to close part of the position and move the stop loss to the entry point. Break even. The second target is placed on the main liquidity or the previous market ceiling is placed, which usually generates a 1:2 or 1:3 reward, and the main part of the profit is taken here. If the market movement is very strong and has momentum, the rest of the position can be held with a trailing stop behind the EMA 9 or behind the new higher lows to take more profits. Runaway move. Ultimately, exits should always be based on market structure and liquidity, not emotion or fear. If this style of training is useful to you, subscribe to the channel right now because we are going to put much more professional strategies. Well, let me tell you one thing before the back test and with the symbols, that when the price confirms the pullback trend or breaks the 200 EMA trend, it pulls back to it with 9.21 exactly. That pullback should be from the area. It should hit the pullback area with a lower momentum, not with a fast momentum. If it does, our entry point will fail, so we have to wait for the confirmation with a calm momentum. ISK management plus exit. 1. Survival rule. First of all, you should know, if you don't have risk management, no strategy, even this one, is useless. The main rule, only 1% to 2% of the total account should be at risk in each trade. No more. There are no exceptions. 2. Exact stop location, stop loss intelligence. Stop loss should not be random. 4. Buy, exactly below the last liquidity sweep or below the last broken structure. BOS. If the stop is here, it means the analysis was wrong, not the market. 3. Smart exit model. This is where the traders are separated from the amateurs. Target 1. First, internal liquidity or short-term market ceiling, risk to reward, 1-to-1. At this point, 30% to 50% of the position is closed. Target 2. Main market liquidity, previous high or large POI, check, risk to reward, 1-to-2 to 1-to-3, check. This is where the main profit is taken for. Lock-in profit, break-even trap. After reaching TP1, check, move the stop to the entry point, BE, or slightly above the entry. This means the trade can no longer turn into a loss. 5. Advanced trailing. If the market explodes, the stop moves behind the 9 EMA or behind the new higher lows. This technique allows you to miss big market moves. 6. The golden rule of gold. Scalping. The market gives no one money. Let's control risk first, then go for profit. Not someone who chases quick profits, but someone who lets the market make money off of other people's mistakes. If you've understood this far, you should know one thing. In gold, the winner is not the one who trades the most. The winner is the one who manages risk better. A quick tip from Smart Money. The main concept. The market always moves between two types of liquidity. Internal liquidity. Within short-term ranges. Small stops by retail traders, usually seen on 1M and 5M timeframes. External liquidity. The major market highs and lows. Important highs/lows of the sessions. Big stops and bank targets. The real advanced point, important here. The market first hunts for internal liquidity to fuel the movement for external liquidity. What does that mean? This means that many times, first a fake move occurs, accumulating stops. Then the main move starts towards the big high/low application in gold scalping. If you only see external liquidity, you will enter late. But if you understand this, check. You will understand when it is a fake move. You will understand when the market is just gathering energy, and most importantly, you will enter before the main move. Conclusion. In gold scalping, what determines the result is not just the indicator, it is the understanding of liquidity. The market first accumulates internal liquidity to create the energy needed to move towards external liquidity. If this style of analysis was useful to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because in the next videos we will go into more precise setups, real backtesting, and the methods that professional traders use to catch big gold moves.